Panama offers an appealing tax residency framework that attracts expatriates and investors alike. To qualify as a tax resident, an individual must spend at least 183 days in Panama within a calendar year. This allows for tax benefits, especially since Panama operates a territorial tax system. This means that foreign earned income is not taxed, making it a prime location for those seeking to minimize their tax liabilities. Additionally, Panama has several residency programs, such as the Friendly Nations Visa, which can expedite your residency application if you hold citizenship from specific countries. Once you establish tax residency, you can access various advantages, including low property taxes and potential exemptions on income. It's essential to maintain thorough records of your time spent in the country to ensure compliance with tax residency requirements. Moreover, understanding local tax laws will help you navigate the system effectively. Consulting with a local tax advisor can provide tailored strategies to maximize your benefits while remaining compliant with Panamanian laws. Need financial help? WhatsApp me 336-5294-5861, link in bio.